मेरा हर एक गाना मैं उतनी ही शिद्दत और उतने ही दिल से बनाता हूँ, मैं लिखता और कंपोज करता हूँ, बिकॉज आई डोंट कम फ्रॉम अ म्यूजिकल फैमिली।
हम्म,
पर मैंने ये जो है सब अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस से सीखा है, और अपने आप से ऑनेस्ट रहूं, और मैं किसी और की तरह बनाने की तरह या किसी और की
हम्म।
तरह लिखने की कोशिश ना करूं। ऑल आई वाज डूइंग, आई वाज क्राइंग एंड आई वाज रिकॉर्डिंग इट, सो आई हैड टीयर्स थ्रू आउट, आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट माय सिस्टर।
He's a musical prodigy and he touched the hearts of the audiences with just his first Hindi film song. Who can forget Humsafar from Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya? The perfect love song there is. And now, recently, he came up with two so amazingly beautiful songs from the upcoming show Broken But Beautiful 3. So, first of all, welcome Akhil to Spot Boy.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much
Yeah.
for having me here. Thank you.
Yeah, so like you made one song for Broken But Beautiful 2 as well. So, how has
Ji.
an association been with the franchise for you?
I always take Broken as a family, since I know the makers pretty well, and मेरा एक अच्छा से बॉन्डिंग रही है उनके साथ, एक अच्छा पर्सनलाइज रिलेशन रहा है।
Hmm.
और सबसे खास बात है कि उनका मेरे ऊपर विश्वास, द कॉन्फिडेंस दैट दे हैव ऑन मी टू डिलीवर एवरी टाइम अ बिग साउंडिंग लव सॉन्ग or
Yeah.
a heartbreak soulful song. They anything to do with the this emotion, they feel that they can come up to me and ask for a song. And जब सेकेंड सीजन के अंदर मैंने ओ साजना किया था, आई थिंक इट वाज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द शो,
Hmm.
और वो पूरे सीजन में सबसे ज्यादा चलने वाला सॉन्ग था वो।
Yeah.
और वो इतना ज्यादा पॉपुलर हुआ कि शो सीजन 3 शुरू होने से पहले आई थिंक फैंस ने और लोगों ने ये डिमांड करना शुरू कर दिया था कि वो मुझसे जरूर
Yeah.
अगला सीजन में भी गाना सुनना चाहेंगे। और
Hmm.
वो ऑलरेडी चाहे मेकर्स के मन में हो चाहे ना हो, पर वो पहले से ही उनको पता था कि लोग चाह रहे हैं, और दे वर रेडी ओनली कि उनको मुझसे एक गाना तो जरूर करवाना है। सो दैट्स हाउ नीरज पाजी ही केम अप टू मी, और उन्होंने मुझे गाना के लिए बोला, एंड ही वांटेड, और उन्होंने सिर्फ मुझ पे ही छोड़ा कि मुझे सिचुएशन दे दी गई, सिचुएशन ब्रीफिंग दे दी गई, बट उन्होंने सिर्फ यही बोला कि पाजी आप अपनी, जैसे आप दिल से बड़ा लव सॉन्ग एक बनाते हो, वैसा ही एक बड़ा लव सॉन्ग चाहिए मुझे,
Yeah.
और लोगों के दिलों पे राज करे, और लोग पहली बार सुन के ही लोगों को पसंद आए वैसा। और सो इट वाज ऑल अबाउट जस्ट कीपिंग being honest to my own music and my process, or that's how the first song Tere Naal happened.
Yeah.
And then 3 weeks back I got a call that they wanted the second song from me, which is the heartbreak song or a heart breakdown song of Agastya. उसके लिए उनको चाहिए, but they wanted not less than Tere Naal, like in terms of the
Yeah.
sounding, in terms of the hook line, in terms of the vibe of the song, they wanted as big a song as Tere Naal only. And I'm so glad कि मेरे दोनों गाने सबसे पहले रिलीज हो चुके हैं, चाहे अभी एडिटेड 2 मिनट के वर्जन अभी रिलीज हुए हैं
Yeah.
वीडियो में, बट सबसे पहले पहले मेरे लिए हुआ, फिर तेरे नाल हुआ। और लोगों ने इतना उसको, ट्रेंड ऑलरेडी रिलीज से पहले ट्रेंड पे हो चुके थे वो, और इतना पसंद किया दोनों ही मेलोडीज को कि इट फील्स द राइट, इट सेट द राइट टोन फॉर द शो, और एक शो की एक झलक अच्छे तरीके से दोनों गाने लेके आते हैं।
Yeah.
तो आई एम super happy that people are loving already. It's just been like 4 days, 3 days to release.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, like
Yeah.
in season 2, your songs are picturized on Vikrant and Harleen. Now, in
Ji.
season 3, it's on Sonia and Siddharth. So, did
Yeah.
your kind of the change in the cast kind of affected your style of music as well?
Absolutely not. I think I don't make song for the uh, uh, thinking, or thinking about the platforms or the actors or the medium where it's coming. I make song for the love of song making.
Mhm.
And मेरा हर एक गाना मैं उतनी ही शिद्दत और उतने ही दिल से बनाता हूँ, मैं लिखता और कंपोज करता हूँ कि
Mhm.
चाहे वो जहां भी आए, जिस पे भी आए और जैसे भी आए,
Mhm.
तो मैं वो गाने को गाने के लिए बनाता हूँ, गाने को सबसे बड़ा रख के बनाता हूँ, और उसके बाद वो गाने की किस्मत है, वो जहां भी जाता है। बट आई थिंक मुझे ये डेफिनेटली कहना, आई थिंक सिद्धार्थ इज लुकिंग फिनोमिनल।
Yeah.
और आई थिंक मुझे लगता है मेरी आवाज और जो मेरी टोन है गानों की और जो वाइब है, वो सिद्धार्थ की
Mhm.
पर्सनैलिटी पे बहुत अच्छी लग रही है।
Yeah.
और यही कारण है कि पहले भी 2 गाने उन्होंने मेरे दोनों के दोनों रिलीज करे, और एक टोन सेट कर दी, एक
Yeah.
डायरेक्शन सेट कर दी शो की। सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी। ये मेरा मैं ये नहीं कहूंगा पहली बार, पहला गाना नहीं कह पाऊंगा मैं, अब एक्चुअली लग रहा है पहले ही प्रोजेक्ट में दोनों गाने मैं सिद्धार्थ और सोनिया के साथ कर चुका हूँ।
Yeah.
सो इट्स आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर द 29th, जब ये शो रिलीज हो, और
Yeah.
उसमें मेरे को बेसब्री से इंतजार रहेगा कि
Hmm.
शो कैसा कर रहा है, शो कैसा है, और प्लस मेरे दोनों गाने कैसे आ रहे हैं।
Yeah. So like
जी
आपके गाने उनके अंदर एक दर्द होता है, एक प्यार
जी
है बहुत ज्यादा. So where
जी.
does all this intensity of pain and love comes from?
I personally feel I'm an intense person in general.
Hmm.
I'm a uh, very simple. I believe in simple living,
Hmm.
but also intense living. As in, I'm not a mediocre. I'm either too happy or I'm too intense. Too when I'm sad, I'm too sad.
Yeah.
So it's I think I believe that's my personality also. वो मैं मेरी zone है. और मुझे लगता है that I've learned from the experiences that life has given me since my childhood and since my upbringing, and we've seen a lot of bad phase or the worst phase
Hmm.
all my life when I was growing, and I think that is what is now reflecting in my music and my voice,
Yeah.
because I've not learned, I don't come from a musical family,
Hmm.
पर मैंने जो है सब अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस से सीखा है, और
Hmm.
आई थिंक एक जो मेरी आवाज की एक यूनिक आवाज ऊपर वाले ने बख्शी है, गॉड
Hmm.
इज ब्लेस्ड मी विद दैट काइंड ऑफ अ वॉइस, सो इट जस्ट टचेस पीपल्स हार्ट, बीट अ लव सॉन्ग
Yeah.
और अ हार्ट ब्रेकिंग सॉन्ग. सो वो एक कनेक्शन मेरा ऑडियंस के साथ जरूर रहता है,
Hmm.
और बट आई विल से इट्स ऑल गॉड्स ब्लेसिंग ऑन मी दैट आई एम एबल टू डिलीवर एवरी टाइम. या.
Yeah. So like when you were making Tere Naal and Mere Liye, what was the setting in your mind? The situation that you had been given to
Yeah,
make the music?
Terrenal definitely it was. They gave me as I told you before also, they gave me the briefing and they gave me the situation where it was supposed to come. So and a freedom to make a song of my own kind, the way I make
Hmm.
the music. वो मुझे पूरी freedom दी गई, and that's a very important part
Hmm.
कि मुझे अपनी तरह से म्यूजिक बनाने की कोशिश दी गई. इसलिए ही अगर आप तेरे नाल जब पूरा आएगा आप जरूर सुनेगा उसको आप.
जी, जी.
द प्रोडक्शन द वे इट्स बीन प्रोड्यूस्ड आल्सो बाय माय
Hmm.
वेरी वेरी डियर फ्रेंड वैभव. ही इज डन अ ट्रिमेंडस जॉब, और हमने वैसा काम किया जैसा कोई ये नहीं है कि बॉलीवुड में या फिर लव सॉन्ग्स में ऐसा ही साउंड चलता
Hmm.
है, ऐसा ही होता है. वी डिड व्हाट वी फेल्ट राइट,
Hmm.
and that's why it's sounding very fresh also. Terenal will surprise everybody जब उसका अंतरा भी लोग सुनेंगे, and the production value is too big to that song that it's gonna surprise people. तो मैं ये सब चीजें ध्यान रखता हूँ, but I think सबसे important ध्यान रखता हूँ कि मैं अपने आप से honest रहूं, और मैं किसी और की तरह बनाने की तरह या किसी और
Hmm.
की तरह लिखने की कोशिश ना करूं.
Yeah.
इसलिए मैं अपने गाने अपने खुद लिखता हूँ. And मेरे लिए they again when they called me, मेरे लिए will always remain special for to me for a reason. I don't know if you know this or not. I
Yeah,
lost
I
my
read
sister.
about it. I read about
Yeah, so I wrote that song. I was writing, and that same night, the first night when I was making it, she passed away.
it. Hmm.
So it's been a heartbreaking moment
Hmm.
for the whole family. And we've seen the worst, but I think that's all my as an artist. वो मेरे अंदर एक वो काबिलियत
Hmm.
शायद थी कि मैंने उस दर्द को, उस इमोशन को अपने गाने में निभाने की कोशिश करी, और
Yeah.
इसलिए मेरे लिए निकला, और मेरे लिए is a tribute to my sister wherever she
Hmm.
is. It's my tribute to her, and
Yeah.
I'm sure she's blessing. She's blessing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Surely. Like
yeah,
people romanticize these things, like artists pour their pain, their heartbreak into their art and compose
yeah,
something beautiful. But how overwhelming was it for you when you were making this? Because you had suffered such a big loss the same day
yeah.
you were making it. How overwhelming did it got?
Honestly, I think I don't think about too much about all these things, but
Hmm.
yes, I felt I was going through a lot inside, and
Hmm.
since it's a COVID time, I was not able to meet my parents. Also, like we stay in Delhi together, we stay in Delhi, but not in the same house. They
Hmm.
stay with my elder brother, and this is why we could not even hug them and cry
Hmm.
together. So it's been a difficult moment, but I think I've learned to. I'm somebody, I keep emotions inside me, but express it in my music.
Yeah.
And I remember it when I went to dub the song in the studio.
Hmm.
It's I personally feel it's one of my finest, bestest
Hmm.
singing ever in Mere Liye. I personally felt that my
Hmm.
the voice, and all I remember is those 30 minutes. I think I recorded this song in 25 or 30 minutes, and
Hmm.
while dubbing it, while recording the voice,
Okay.
and uh, all I was doing, I was crying and I was recording it. So I had tears throughout. I was just thinking about my sister, and it I think that's what it touched people also. It came
Hmm.
across that it came out that strong,
Hmm.
and I'm blessed that as soon as it got released, I got a call from most of my friends from the industry, like Amal, Vishal, all of them. They called me and they said they believe it was the finest ever, and
Hmm.
they could feel the pain. So I think that it connected to them, and if that's being solved, like if what
Hmm.
you want, what you do from your heart, if that reaches heart, and it touches people and change their emotion. That's the best thing. And
Hmm.
so I don't know. For me, it's not a song. For me,
Yeah.
Mere is something way too special, way
Yeah.
too special.
Yeah, and it reflects in the way the song has come out. Like it's
Yeah,
not just your finest work; it kind of reflects the love and blessing that your sister has kind of
I'm
sent
sure.
to you.
I'm sure. I'm
Yeah.
sure. I'm sure. I'm sure. Yeah.
So something good also happened last year to you. You got married in December. So how has
Yeah.
married life been for you till now?
It's been amazing. It's been amazing, and I think after getting married, I've been making more and more music, and that's the best part.
Yeah.
That I'm more focused, and I'm I've got a partner who more than anything loves my music.
Hmm.
That's her most, and all she wants is that I should be making music all the time, and that's a very
Hmm.
big thing. Is the biggest support that I can get,
Yeah.
because if you take me away from my music, then I won't be anyone. Like I can't be with you or be with anyone if it's
Hmm.
music is that important to me, that integral to me. So I think marriage really helped me and made me more focused, and I'm happy. And I think
Yeah.
she's got me good luck as well. Yeah.
Yeah. So how has she kind of inspired your music style now?
Not she lets me be free the way I want to do
Okay.
music. But yeah, definitely, I think she's got by staying now. When I make music in the lockdown, especially,
Hmm.
she's around me. She sees me how I get into my zone and how I may
Hmm.
start making music. But I think she started feeling music a lot, and
Hmm.
she tells me if something, like even if it's a word or if a melody is, she feels that it definitely I can bring about better out of
Okay.
it. She tells me on my
Yeah.
face. So that's really nice. But I think our silence is more vocal with each other. Like we talk a lot when we are silent. Yeah,
Okay.
like that. That's how it is. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So when are we gonna next hear your voice in a Hindi film?
In a film.
Yeah.
I think next you're gonna hear me after these two songs. Next you're gonna hear me in June, where my single is releasing with my own video. I'm there.
Okay.
My single is releasing,
Okay.
and then I was already done these two songs, two big songs for a very big film. But अभी वो COVID की वजह से it's been stopped for
Hmm.
shoot also. So this year only. But I think initially it was supposed to come out in September. But I
Okay.
think अभी towards October, November, or whenever things will get better.
Hmm.
But yeah, this year 5 to 6 songs you guys definitely will hear from my end. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And like
So
all big sounding songs. Yeah.
thank you so
Wow.
much, Akhil. It was so beautiful. I feel so lucky to be like get a one-on-one kind of a this mini concert from you. It was
Oh,
amazing
thank you,
talking
Akash.
to you.
Thank you.
Your
Thank you
voice
so
is
much. Thank you.
so angelic and so mesmerizing. Cannot wait to hear
Thank you.
more of you and wish you
Thank you,
best of
Akash.
luck for all your future endeavors. Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.